Good morning, children. In the last video, Ravi, Mridu, and Meena were searched new pair of chappals to beggar and give it him. So after the music class, master come out of the house and searched his chappals. So I read from Ravi, Mridu, and Meena silently watched Lalli and the music master search every corner of the veranda. He scurried around looking over the railing and crouching near the flower pots to look between them. Brand new they were. I went all the way to Mount Road to buy them. He went on saying they cost a whole month's fees. Do you know? Soon Lily went into her tell her mother. Rukmini appeared looking harassed with Pati following her. Where could they be? It's really quite upsetting to think someone might have stolen them. So many windows come to the door, worried Pati. Rukmini caught sight of Ravi, Mridu, and Meena sitting under the tree. Have you children? She began, and then seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly. Seen anyone lurking around the veranda? A sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrows. Another straight, tighter one appeared in place of her usually soft, pleasant mouth. Rukmini was angry, thought Mridu with a shiver. She wouldn't be so upset if she knew about the poor beggar with sores on his feet, she tried to tell herself. Taking a deep breath, she cried, Rukmini, there was a beggar here. Who think he had such boils on his feet? So said Rukmini, grimly turning to Ravi, you gave the music master's chappals to that old beggar. Who turns up here? Children, these days don't party. Amma, didn't you tell me about Karna who gave away everything he had, even his gold earrings? He was so kind and generous. Silly, snapped Rukmini. Karna didn't give away others people things. He only gave his own. But my chappals would not have fitted the beggar's feet. Ravi rushed rashly on. And Amma, if they did fit, would you really not have minded? Ravi, said Rukmini, very angry now. Go inside this minute. She hurried indoors and brought out Gopu Mama's hardly worn new chappals. These should fit you, sir. Please put this on. I am so sorry my son has been very naughty. The music master's eyes lit up. He put them on, trying not to look too happy. Well, I suppose these will have to do. These days, children have no respect for elders. What to do? A Hanuman incarnate, one only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. Rukmini eyes flashed. She didn't seem to like Ravi being called a monkey, even a holy monkey. She stood stiff and straight by the front door. It was clear she wanted him to leave quickly. When he had clattered off in his new chappals, she said, Mridu, come in and have some tiffin. Honestly, how do you children think of such things? Thank God your Gopu Mama doesn't wear his chappals to work. As she walked towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, she suddenly began to laugh. But he is always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappals as soon as he comes home. What's your mama going to say this evening when I tell him gave his chappals to the music master? So, music master was asked to Lalli, where is my chappals? So, all three members, Ravi, Mridu, and Meena, were silently watched all about. Both Lalli and master was searched his chappals. So he also tell about that. Master tell about that he went Mount Road to buy such a type of chappals, and it is also very costly one. So he think that it is very costly one. So children, next Lali was told her mother the slippers are not found. Pati was very upset. They think that someone must stolen it. in from the veranda. So suddenly Rukmini was looked. Three children were sitting under the tree. So she asked them to, "You have seen master's chappal?" She asked. "Have you seen anyone stolen it around the veranda?" So Rukmini was very angry now. So Mrudu was very innocent girl. Seeing Rukmini was very angry, she was shivering. So she trying to tell herself, and then she is also crying. So Mrudu told, "There was a old beggar here. He had boils on his feet." So she stopped. So suddenly Rukmini asked Ravi, "Yes, you gave the master's chappal to that old beggar?" She asked Ravi, and then Ravi was trying to tell, "Mummy, you told me." So Karna story. So you told about the Karna story. He was gave everything to people. So even he gave gold earring also to the people. So but Rukmini instead she told that Karna didn't give other things to anyone. He only gave his own things. So instead she tell to her son, so Karna didn't give away other people things. So he only gave his own things to all the people. So he was very kind and generous person. But Ravi said to his mother, "So my slippers are not fit beggar's feet. So I gave that master's chappal to beggar." So Rukmini was very angry. She said to Ravi, "So go inside. This might not stand in front of me." So she was very angry about her son. So very urgently she went indoor to the house and brought Gopu Mama's new chappals. She offered that new chappals to master. So she offers new chappals to masters, and then she told sorry for the act of Ravi's naughty thing. So again master put the slippers and showing he was not happy. So he simply put his Gopu Mama's chappals, but he act that he was not happy. And then he said, "I have no problem," but he tell, so nowadays he taunt that nowadays children have no respect to the elders. So he again compared to Ravi to Hanuman. So Hanuman, you know, he is a holy monkey. So Rukmini was not like to comparing his son to Hanuman like monkey. So as she wanted him to only leave from the house. So children, when the master clattered off in his new chappals, she said, "Mrudu and Meena to come and have some food." So she said, "How do you children think like that? So how you give the master chappals to the beggar?" So yes, so it doesn't wear his new chappals. So she said that your mama doesn't wear his new chappals to work. So suddenly she began to laugh. So she thanked God because there was a new brand of chappals in the house. So without there is no chappals, what can she do for the master? So she began to laugh to remembering, because Gopu Mama always wears the chappals after coming from the house. So in this evening, what I will say to him when he asked, "Where is my chappals?" And then, so what he will say when I tell him I gave his slippers to his music master? So she thinks that when Gopu Mama asks Rukmini's, "Where is my chappals?" So she thinks that what answer I gave to him. So here there is your day of lesson. You have to write this part of lesson in your homework book, and then you tomorrow will send you classwork. Okay, thank you children.